Copy that. Rock, paper, scissors. You're on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Miles, do rock.
You're dying. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I choose the Megalodon.
No.
Fine. I'll choose my baby. Wait, before this is ended, we need to tell you guys what is happening. So, two of these contestants, well, plus me, we are having a ultimate Nerf War. And so we're each going to get 5 lives. Whoever can stay alive longest will win. It is me and Miles, the adult man over here, and then Keats, the one with the sniper. An epic round, and it's settled.
My gosh, what was that? Hey, get out. Here.
So I'm gonna corner him. Got that? We're like 3 inches away from each other. Oh, sorry.
Go, go, go.
Hey! Go around.
Ah!
I'm going around, y'all. I'm going around.
I've got you now!
Dang it! Oh, Miles, I'm ready to go. Grenade style.
Here, Mitt. Take my extra grenade.
Gonna need it.
Let's move in. Let's move in. Ow! Hit him once.
I will destroy you.
Now! Go now! No! That's right by all of us! It's halftime report. Keats has 3. Emmett has 3. Miles has 4. Let's go. Bye.
Miles, I can't save you now.
No! Grenades! No!
Hey, gas bomb, come with me.
Great, they got away.
So, the plan is, the plan is that I'm gonna go around that. I'm gonna come out this door. He's reading a book right there. So as I come around, I'm gonna create a distraction. And as he's moving forward that way, you're gonna come up in this exit and come behind him and shoot him in the back. Copy? Copy. Let's go. I'm in action.
I love this book. It's the best book ever. Waiting is not easy. Oh! You're gonna die. Got it! Ah! Wait!
Mouse! You're gonna need one of my lives. Come on, down.
Oh! Ah! Yeah! Where are they? They want a piece of me? They got a piece of me. Oh!
We have a base here. He doesn't even know where it is.
Here, borrow my gun. I've got a plan.
Seriously?
Let's go.
Best idea. Let's go. See him right there. For Miles' plan. ready, go. I got you!
Beautiful! Ah! Ah! I feel so powerful! No, come on! Come on! You can't get out of here! Oh! I know where something is. Whoa! I know where their base is now!
Wait until I turn my friend on. We have one more life
I'm
left.
gonna destroy you! Emmett! Where are you? Whoa! Retreat! Emmett, no!
Are you dead? No, I have one life left though. You have to. You're the only one who can beat him. Take it. And go.
Stay here.
Wait, actually, I kind of do need a grenade to protect myself.
Grenades. Well, I don't see any lying around. It's funny, we usually have like 50 just lying around the house.
I guess we used it too much by killing birds for our family. The good old days.
And that one squirrel.
Yeah. Oh yeah, remember the accidentally time we accidentally injured that dog? That was pretty cool though. But I have to admit.
You thought that was pretty cool because you blew its leg off.
Sorry. I love gory scenes.
All right, I got him.
Okay, good luck.
I'm in the bedroom.
Miles, I'm going in. I can smell ya. I know you're here, kids. Wait, what's this? Look behind you. Love keeps XOXO.
You're dead meat. Goodbye,
Oh.
Mr. Poopy.
4 miles.
What? Only 2 lives left, dang it.
No, Emmett! No!
No.
Oh, the humanity of it all! Miles, it might seem like I'm dying, but just please win it for me.
Seriously? Perfect timing.
Even if you don't win it for me, I still like you as a friend, but
1-to-1 life. Somehow, Keats has made it through. Let's see who can finish it off. 1 life left. Please, 1 life left. I can do this. I gotcha! Ha-ha! I gotcha! Oh. Now I've gotcha. Hey guys, said there was going to be a celebrity at this show, and I am Nerfo, the best Nerf warrior, a legend, best one in the world. So, I'm here to congratulate Keats for winning the epic Nerf War thing. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video, the 3 fun guys. A big shout out to Leos!